Alright, so now we want to get through number 6 here. So let's take a look at what we have. This version. Again, the constructor has the same name as the class, and it doesn't have a return type. And typically, and they explain this in the book also, the constructors come after the fields and before the methods. And this is, we don't need. Okay, then number 4 says add accessor and mutator functions for the greeting field and make sure they work. Again, if there's something you're not sure what it means, this is an open book test. You can look in the book. All right, especially if it's the weekend and I might not be available necessarily. So accessors and mutators are explained in section 2.8. All right, so accessor methods return information about the state of an object. Okay. So it says we often describe methods such as the get method of ticket machine, get price, and get balance as accessor methods. So let's look at those, the get price and the get balance methods in ticket machine. Okay, so get price, it says return price. It returns the integer value of the price field. Okay, returns the value that's in the price field. That's what get does. And here's the signature for it, get price. Okay, accessor and mutator methods, and that was part of the exercises here in section 2. Okay, and then mutator methods set values. Okay, so those are the ones that say like set or like insert money. They change values. So the accessors are for getting values back, and so returning values, and the mutators change the value. So the getters, the accessors, typically have a return value that matches the return value of the field that you're getting. Okay, so the price field is an int, and so we're going to return. So we have a return value of int, a return type of int, and we're returning the price, the value that's in the price field. So if we're going to return, if we're going to get the greeting, let me just make sure that's what we wanted. And accessor and mutator functions for the greeting field and make sure they work. So accessor and mutator. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So if you want to get the greeting, you want to return that string of the greeting field. You want to return the greeting field. Return greeting. Okay? And the mutator to set the greeting, public void set greeting string. Oh, and string is this string that we're talking about. String greeting. It's case sensitive, okay? So the type that we want is the capital S one. And then you can say this dot greeting equals greeting, okay? So this dot is used to let the compiler know that we're talking about the field, okay? If we're just talking about the parameter, we just use greeting by itself. All right, so we don't confuse these two. Okay. Oh yeah. Now that I'm looking at it too, this is the constructor should set the greeting to the parameter that's passed in. So whatever parameter you pass to the greeting, that's the one that we should be seeing. So if the greeting is hello world, we should see that. And also, yeah, we could say hello world here too. Okay. So let's see how that looks. Oh, and you shouldn't have this arrow here. Let's see. Can we get rid of that? Oh, maybe because it's in the main. Yeah, maybe. No, I think you should have it actually because it's in the main. Maybe. Let's see. And there we have hello world 2 times. Okay. I guess our greet times was 2. Go. Oh, why did it type it out twice? Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Greetings. Oh, I see, because you're printing it out in the constructor and you're printing it out in Go. Is that what you're asked to do? Let's see. Okay, there's 2 ways you can start the project. Let's see. Do I still have version 1 open here? Oh, this is version 3. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So the constructor. Yeah, so all you were asked to do in the constructor was to set the value. You weren't asked to print anything out here. All right. So yeah, so stuff gets printed out in the Go method, and you're calling the Go method right here. So let's see. Let me get that terminal up again. Okay, I'm going to clear it. Yeah, so at this point it should just print it out 1 time. So let's see. Hello world. Okay, good. So that's it. Also, let's see. You should be able to create a new greeter with a different. Oh, yeah. It needs to be a string, right? So you need quotes. All right. And run Go straight from there. Oh, that's interesting. So this says hello world. So let's see here. Should be able to change the. Oh, because you're setting greeting to hello world in here. Yeah, we don't. We want to set the greeting with the constructor. So let's cut that out. All right. So Go should just, at this point, Go should just print the greeting. Okay, because we want to set the greeting with these guys. All right, so let's compile, close. Let me clear this, and yeah, so you should be able to create a greeter with whatever string you want. So I'm going to say hi, say OK, and run Go. Yeah, that says hi. And if I create another one with hola, and say Go, then it says hola. Okay, so that's what you want. The one that comes out of the main is always going to say hello world. Oops. Yeah. It's always going to say hello world because we set that here.